This is another project. It's just a cute little jar that I filled with Wonder Clips. It could also be a pin cushion and a pin jar. You could fill it with candies or even sweet little love notes. And let me just run down the basics, which is so simple. We're using a standard piece of wool felt and the insides of the ball jar lid. Trace a circle for the felt using the inside of the lid. And then before cutting it out, needle felt your color into this circle. You want the needle felting to extend a little bit beyond the line so that when you trim it, it's really nice and even. I made mine arched with extra wool for an extra mound because I wanted to use it as a pin cushion. But if you're not using it as a pin cushion, you can just keep it flat. Once that is in place, then choose whatever shape you want to top, and you can needle felt right onto that little dome using your fine needles. Once your design is all complete, then trim it out and you will have accommodated for any shrinkage. And after you trim it out, just glue it onto the lid and fill your jar with whatever treasures you like and gift it to your loved one or even yourself.